Recording. Crazy man.
What?
Crazy man. That's funny. You just coasted. You should have kept pedaling once you hit the water. Do it again.
Why?
Because it's funny.
I'll do it again. That was fun.
Was it?
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Take two. Here we go. All right. Did you go over the handlebars?
Do what?
Did you go over the handlebars?
I think. I don't know where my bike went.